The 40th match of IPL 2025 will see the Lucknow Super Giants face off the Delhi Capitals at the Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekana Cricket Stadium, Lucknow on April 22nd. Fifth on the points table, Lucknow Super Giants have registered 5 wins from 8 games and are building momentum. In their last encounter, they edged past Rajasthan Royals just by 2 runs. On the other hand, Delhi Capitals sit on the second place with 5 wins from 7 games. Their last outing, however, ended in a defeat by the hands of Gujarat Titans by 7 wickets despite Akshar Patel's gritty 39-run knock. Moving on to head-to-head record between these two teams. In the head-to-head history, both teams are tied at 3 wins out of 6 matches. A perfect even contest that adds more spice to this mid-season clash. Moving on to the weather and pitch report. Expect a hot evening in Lucknow with clear skies and temperatures around 32 degrees Celsius. The pitch at Ekana Cricket Stadium has evolved into a batting-friendly surface this season, offering a true bounce and good value for the stroke makers. The average first inning score here is around 191 runs and chasing sides have won 60% of the matches here. Moving on to predicted playing 11s of both the teams. Firstly, the Lucknow Super Giants. Aiden Markram opening alongside Mitchell Marsh, having Nicholas Pooran at number 3, Rishabh Pant the wicket-keeper at number 4, David Miller at number 5, Abdul Samad at number 6, Shardul Thakur at number 7, Prince Yadav at number 8, Digvesh Singh Rathi at number 9, Ravi Bishnoi at number 10, Avesh Khan at number 11, and Ayush Badoni can come in as the impact player. Moving on to the Delhi Capitals. Abhishek Porel opening alongside Karun Nair, having KL Rahul the wicket-keeper at number 3, Akshar Patel the captain at number 4, Tristan Stubbs at number 5, Ashutosh Sharma at number 6, Vipraj Nigam at number 7, Mitchell Starc at number 8, Kuldeep Yadav at number 9, Mohit Sharma at number 10, Mukesh Kumar at number 11, and Donovan Ferreira can come in as the impact player. Moving on to Dream 11 fantasy tips and the hot picks for this match. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Nicholas Pooran, although he scored just 11 runs in the last match, but he remains a dependable match winner with explosive potential. Aiden Markram, he was the star of the last match with a 66-run knock and a wicket, making him a top all-rounding captaincy option. Now the top picks. KL Rahul scored 28 in the previous match and is key to anchoring the DC innings. Akshar Patel continues to contribute both with bat and ball with a solid 39-run knock in the last match. Now the budget picks. Vipraj Nigam, a young all-rounder who is capable of providing value in both the department. Ravi Bishnoi, a consistent wicket taker during the middle overs for LSG. Moving on to the players to avoid. Sameer Rizvi did not play in the last match, so unlikely to feature in this one. Shahbaz Ahmed also didn't play recently, remains a risky pick. Now the expert advice for Dream 11 teams. Safe League captain is Nicholas Pooran. Grand League captain is Aiden Markram. Punt picks can be Ravi Bishnoi and Rishabh Pant. An ideal Dream 11 team combination for this match is 3 wicket keepers, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowlers. Now the Dream 11 teams. Team 1, safe team for small leagues. Wicket keepers are KL Rahul, Nicholas Pooran and Rishabh Pant. Batsmen are Mitchell Marsh, Tristan Stubbs, Karun Nair. All-rounders are Aiden Markram and Akshar Patel. And the bowlers are Mitchell Starc, Kuldeep Yadav and Shardul Thakur. This team will be led by seasoned Nicholas Pooran, having experienced KL Rahul as the vice-captain. Moving on to Team 2, risky team for the Grand Leagues. Wicket keepers are KL Rahul, Nicholas Pooran. Batsmen are Mitchell Marsh, Tristan Stubbs, Karun Nair. All-rounders are Aiden Markram, Akshar Patel. And the bowlers are Mitchell Starc, Kuldeep Yadav, Ravi Bishnoi and Shardul Thakur. This team will be led by Aiden Markram, having Akshar Patel as the vice-captain. Now the final segment, match winners prediction. Despite LSG's home advantage, Delhi Capitals seem more balanced and composed. With informed players like Akshar Patel and KL Rahul in the mix, DC are favourites to win this match. So stay tuned for more updates, match analysis and Dream 11 predictions only on your favourite channel, Cricket Addictor.